O Tashidalek Naso. Talk some revision checking. Ruba? Little bit revision. Ruba? Lasso. And then Mama. In previous lesson, we learned about a sentence that include my friend, my teacher, my book, my phone. Ruba? Europe's shoes. Ruba? Tibet's food. Tibetan's food. Ruba? Something like this. Ruba? So for that, we use a grammar particle that we call it delta. Hagosma? Delta. And there are 5 of them here. Hagosma? In English, I think it's apostrophe S. Or sometimes you can also use of, a book of Tenzin, Ruba? People of Tibet. So of or apostrophe S, I think. So it's work like this. Hakosma, just like this. Ruba? For example, Höki me, Ruba? People of Tibet or Tibet's people. Ruba? Hagosunge. So something like this. Hakosma. We will go through it. So there are 5 of them in Tibetan grammar. There are 5 of them. And in English, they are generally called as genitive particles. So these particles are always after whoever is related to. For example, Tenzin Ki Thep. When I say Tenzin Ki Thep, Tenzin's book, Ki is after the Tenzin. So you see, it is always after the whoever it is related to, whatever it is related to. It could be Riva, something's color, hair's color, or color of hair. Riva, something like this. So tra yi chun, tra hair, Riva. So I said tra yi or tra ki. Ki is after the hair. So you see how it works, way it should be. So when you say my book, we say usually for I you say nga. So we add akikui, nga, akikui, nge. So we pronounce nge. Nge thep, nge khapar, nge gegem, nge lama. Nge lama, Kathmandu ne re. Nge chokpo, my friend. Nge chokpo, Vietnam ne re. Something like this. So today we're gonna learn this. So they are
Tenzin,
yes.
please write Chun. Chun without ma, just Chun. Okay.
Well, that's it. So here, let's practice reading them. What? Yeah. Ruyum la inda. Tashi daleg ruyum la. Ni kiran depo impe.
Sorry?
Kiran depo impe.
Nga debo in tujichi.
Laso. Ni ruyum la tilok tang. Ruba?
Di
Tang.
Ka kikuki ga yata ya kikuki ka yata kya kikuki a kikui ya kikui.
As Ruyunla has read, Ka kikuki, ka yata kya kikuki, ka yata kya kikuki, a kikui, ya kikui. There are 5 of them. All of them work same as apostrophe s or off. I have gave the example. But why we have 5 of them? Because we cannot write any of them wherever we want, whenever we want. There are certain rules. And the rule is they are always rely on what is the suffix, whatever is the suffix. Okay? That's it. So let's say, Francoisla in the Francoisla, Tashidelek. When I say yuck, yuck, what is the base sound?
The base sound is ya.
Yeah. What is the suffix?
The suffix is ka.
That's it. That's what I mean. So what I mean by they all rely on suffix, whatever is suffix is, they all have to look after whatever this suffix is. So here is the rule. If the suffix is tha, pa, or sa, then you write kayata kya. Let me give you example with the tha suffix. Pa narupo tha pu. When I say pu, suffix is tha. So kayata kya here. Pu yak. Yak of Tibet, or Tibet's yak. That's what I mean. Yak. Now let's make a sentence. Di Pöki yak re. Finish. This is Tibetan yak of Tibet. Or this is Tibet's yak. That's it. Di Pöki yak re. Di Kathmandu ki yak ma re. Di Pöki yak re. Something like this. So I have now shown you a relation between Tibet and yak. And the particle is always after whoever is related to. That's why it is after the Tibet, not after the yak. Okay? So that's it. Very simple example here. So just like that, if the word ends with the pa, suffix is pa, then also you can use kayata kyaki. Let me give you an example. Kap ki se. Ka pa cup as a needle. It is new word. Kap ki needles. Ra tsatak tsa dengpo tse. Maybe this word we didn't learn it yet. Just hear it. Tse means tip of needle. That's tip of needle. So needles tip. Something like this. How goes nga? Now you see.
Kepkitse.
With the pa suffix. How goes nga? Kapkitse. So something like this. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now with the sa, let's say, yeah, sa, nga, sa, sang, ra, kataga, yatagya, sa, ge, sange. If when I say sange, the last word ge, suffix is sa. So I write ka yatagya ki kuchi. Sange ki chu. Cha narucho sa chu. Dharma. Sange ki chu. That's it. Dharma of Buddha or Buddha's Dharma. Something like this. So I have shown you here how it works. You don't need to know the rule. Even Tibetan people don't know. Right now, it's not necessary. Just showing you how the rules works. Later on, when you read the sentence, when you see this, kayatakya kikuchi, you remember they all are same, whether you see this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. You know, it shows relation, connection. Like this. Okay? So that's what I mean. Now, if the suffix is ka or nga, then you write kakikuki. That's the rule. With the ka, we have already know a word yak. Yak, he, let's say go, head. We know go. Yaki go, head of yak, or yak's head. Something like this. Now, if you want a full sentence, you know, the yaki go re. This is identifying. This is yak's head. You identified it. Something like this. How goes nga? The yaki go re. Then we have nga, ka or nga. Whether it's ka or nga, you write kakikuki. With the nga, we have here kerang ki ama. Kerang, rang, suffix is nga. Kakikuki. Kerang ki ama. Yours, mother. Something like this. Now, if I make a question, kerang ki ama lak, let's say. Respect. Kerang ki ama lak kane re. That's it. Where is your mother luck from? Luck as a respect. Kiranki amala kanere. Something like this. Okay? Now we see here ka and nga with how it works. Then na ma ra la. Same like this. Now here, what we need to know here is if the suffix is a or if there is no suffix, then you use ye or ye. You have a choice. But mostly they use ye. And when you use this one, you attach it. You don't separate it. You attach it with no suffix. For example, nga, you attach it. Nge. It's still a one syllable. It is not like nga ki. It's not two syllable. It's one syllable. Hakos nga. So when you say nga, it's nge. Now let's take a name with the no suffix. Let's take pa, tha, pe, ma. When you say pe, ma, there is no suffix. So you add akikui, pe, me, like this. Right? Pe, me, mik, pe, mas, ice. Right? Something like this. How goes me? So something like this. So now you know how to say my as a nge. Now you can say nge amala. Right? Nge amala Kathmandu ne re, Europe ne re, Ari ne re, Thailand ne re, right? Urusu ne re. Anyway, how goes one? Okay? so, so that's it. Little bit introduction. How goes one? Holas.
Excuse me, can you give an example with the a, if suffix is a?
Now here, meda, or let's say da, right? Dai shu. That's right? The bow of arrow. How goes it? When I say mauta da. Now let's say mau cha ja. Right? Actually, it's cha. Because of the ma prefix, it became ja. Right? Now has no specific effect on the bass sound. It just stretch it a little bit. Ja, like this. Right? Now let's say jai ten. Ja as a rainbow. Agosuna. Mau cha ja. Right? As a rainbow. Now chen as a color. Rainbow's color. Color of rainbow. Something like this. Agosune. Okay?
Thanks, but then if when we have a suffix, it's better use yin, ya, kiku, we.
That's it. That's it. Right?
Okay, thank you.
That's it. Hola, so. Tahakosunga, okay? Jai Chundok. Jai Chun. Dai Shu. Something like that. Now let's, yeah. Ginda, Yonla in the Tashiderek Yonla. Tilorona.
Ni Ropo Pe Mare.
That's it. Nye Tropo Pemare. Tropo, friend. That's a male friend. Hakosunga. Now, Tokmo as a female friend. Hakosunga. Okay? So something like this. Pe ulosong nge tropo pe mare. Now can you say about yours? You won't laugh.
Ni Tropo Thắng Nói Re.
That's it. Nge tropo tang noi re. Something like this. Hakosunga. Pe ulosong tujiche you won't laugh. Tene ya sonam durgar la inda. Tilo thang. Yeah.
New tokmo dolmare.
That's it. Nye Trokmo Delma Re. That's it. Delma. That's a female name. Or in text, the Tara is also called as Delma. Agosma. Green Tara, white Tara, Tara Mambo Yerwa. So Delma. Agosma. Inayang Tata. That's a female name also. Agosma. In this sentence, female name. Nye Trokmo Delma Re. Now, can you say about yourself?
Nie tokmo lili re.
That's it. Nye Trokmo Lili Re. Yeah. Now, let's say how we question it. Agosma. How we question. Now, we already know. Nye Trokpo da 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 re. Nye Trokmo da 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 re. Now, how we ask. Yeah, Pedro Lainda. Tiloya.
Hello. Kirang ki trokmo sure.
That's it. Su. Who is your friend? Agosma. Kiranki Trokmo Sure. That's it. Now, if I ask you, Pedro La, Kiranki Trokmo Sure.
Ne trokmo andre re.
That's it. Something like this. Very easy. Now, instead of Trokmo, you can change anything. Kiranki Palak Sure. Kiranki Amala Sure. Kiranki Lama Sure. Kiranki Gigin Sure. Kiranki Loktruk Sure. Right? Something like this. Kiranki classmate Sure. Kiranki coach Sure. Something like this. Now you can ask these type of question. Payagosung Tujiche Pedrula. Tine imogen la in Trashid Deleg imogen la. Trashid Deleg imogen la Dilorona. Can you read this?
Kayata Chadumbuche da che
Kardai.
ke Kayata Chadumbuche da ke rankerang kakiguki keranki o la
Pa la la.
balasala ma lama sashabjusu rajimbu re da re keranki lama sure.
That's it. Kiranki lama sure. Kiranki tropo sure. Kiranki tromo sure. Now, if I ask you, Kiranki lama sure, imogen.
Nga lama ki
Mare, nge lama, mai lama, nge lama.
ni lama
Mai.
ni lama
Sure.
ki chimire.
That's it. Nge lama. Sure.
Ki chimire.
Nge lama ki chimi re. Rebe, and rebe. Something.
Okay.
That's it. Okay. Now this one, is underscript. How goes ma? The la is under the base sound. Pa la tak la, sa la tak la, ka la tak la. This one is easy one. Everyone sounds same except one. How goes ma? When you see this type of letter, you know it's la. How goes ma? Whether it's pa la tak la or ka la tak la or ka la tak la, ha la tak la, sa la tak la. 상마 드라당 직발에 하고스마 이모겐라 아니 이모겐라니까 콩수레
Con Minju Rinpoche đây.
알레 콩카네레
Con Kathmandu rồi.
카트만두 마레 콩 민주rum부체레
Con con Rinpoche đây.
레 콩카네레 from where
Con Pu đây.
Kathmandu ne you have to say ne if you don't say ne you are saying he is Kathmandu.
Okay, sorry. Yeah.
Huh?
Con Pu đây.
Ne, you missed the ne.
No, sorry. Con Pu này.
Right?
Con
Ne, re. That's it.
này đây. Right.
Hakosma, tujiche. So something like this. Hakosma,
Sujiche.
laso, tujiche. Olas. Imogenla. Teneya. Fang la in Tashi Delek.
다시 들리 틴스나
Fang la. Kongki palak sure. Kongki palak. Pa, lak hasa lak. Father. Hakosma. Palak sure.
pa what does it mean?
Father.
Father.
Right? Palak, amalak. Right?
Oh, okay.
Kongki palak sure.
right. 이거는 공기 바락 타일랜드에
Mother.
พ่อของเขาคือใคร if I answer คงคีปารักเกเกนเร
You can say.
Oh.
Why not? Right? His father was a teacher. Right? Kongki palak gegen re. Fair. Or if you know name, you can say the name. Right? Kongki palak gegen re. Or Kongki palak urgin buche re. Right? Urgin tripure. Right? Something like this. Akosuma, pay akosuma. Las. Ale, ani keranki pala kanere pongpangla.
녜 빠락สมชายเร
Pongchai ne.
Oops, sorry. So is who is he?
Ale. Sure, then you can say the name. Right? If I say keranki pala kanere.
녜 빠락 Thailand nere.
That's it. Nge pala Thailand ne. Ale, keranki pala chengmai ne repe.
Mare 녜 빠락 เชียงใหม่เนมาเร Bangkok nere.
That's it. Akosuma, So something like this. We are practicing how to use these particles. Nge, keranki, konki. That's it. Las tujiche. Tujiche fang la. Hola so. Now yeah. Tinda. Rwa. Tok sam lokin. Tine dang noila in. Trashi delek dang noila.
Ashidele.
Di lorona. Di karire dang noila.
Di gale.
Ka. Di kari category karire. Kakire.
A.
Pero. Di karire.
Di pale.
Pa. Rwa. Dang noila. Pa. Category karire.
Pa category ha le.
Pero. Di.
Di kare.
Di karire.
Di kare.
Di harebe are.
Ale.
Rwa. Di karire.
Di sa le.
차. 차. 하고 차 category 가리래.
Sa category ha le.
Rwa. Just like 차 기구치. 차 등부 채. Something like that. 하고 lot of aspiration. 빼올로송. 되네 당노라 디 가리래.
Di sha le.
디 category 가기래.
Di are.
빼고. category래. 도지체 당노라 빼고 송송. 아니 당노라 케랑키 촉모 가네래.
Nye trok mo Thailand nere.
알레 케랑키 촉보 가네래.
Nye trok po Buriram nere.
빼고 송송. 라소. 야. 다인다 까마치고. Olas. Tadin tene. Olas so iwon la. Di karere.
Di nya re.
냐. Roa. Olas. Yakulosong. Di karere.
Di sha re.
Di.
Di cha re.
Cha mare. You see the extra thing on that. Roa. Without this, it's cha. With this, karere. Cha. Roa. I can see it does not exist in your language, maybe. Roa. So you need to listen and practice it a little bit more than others. How goes ma? Yunla.
Akosong.
Ha. Roa.
Cha.
Golas. Peolo. Dice. Lasso. Tadinda. Di karere.
Di cha re.
How goes ma? Cha. Cha. Peolo.
Cha.
Di karere.
Di cha re.
차. 차차차.
차,
빼고. 올라서. 되네, 디 가리래.
디, 사, 레,
사하 말해.
디, 디, 차, 레.
빼고. 디, 차. 좋아? 빼고. 야골로송, 라소. 두지치. 쌓인다. par di 가리래. 용라.
빠, 디, 주, 레,
추. 차.
주,
추. 하고서
주.
water. 네. 디, 추, 레. 하고서 something like this. Now, if you wanna add connection particle, ki, make sentence including connection particle, then you can say the Himalaya ki chu re. Something like that. How goes nga? Peabo. Kaso tujiche yongla. Teneya
뜻지.
francois la in. Kaso di karere.
Diciare.
That's it. Cha. We call tea for cha. How goes nga? Tea.
Cha.
We drink tea. Right? Cha.
Is it tea or milk? I thought it was milk. Okay, it's tea. Okay.
It's a
Thank you.
water tea. How goes nga?
Okay,
Hola. There is no
thank you.
sugar in it. There is salt in it. How goes nga? So when tourists come to Dharamsala, when they have first time Tibetan tea, they say, this is not tea, this is soup. Alright. Something like that.
Deep chare.
That's how you say it. Deep chare. Very good. Now we have today new 2 alphabet. Cha, cha. Then cha shabkyu chu as a water. How goes one? Cha as a tea. Peo. So tujiche. Now how to write it? Dedwa. Cha. Cha. Hola. Now let's try some word just by hearing my sound. How goes na? Let's try. Now here, rain. How goes na? We call it charpa. Charpa. Cha-ra. Charpa. Charpa. How goes na? Cha-ra. Charpa. Charpa. For rain. How goes na? Charpa. Cha-ra. Charpa. Charpa. Let me write it down now, if we got it right. cha, ra, char, pa, charpa. Agosma. Something like this. Now, if you want to make it related with the connection particle, genitive particle, Kathmandu ki charpa. Ruba? Dharamsala ki charpa. Something like this. Agosma. Charpa. Now let's try this. Ruba? Yeah. Nima dawala in. Tashi delek dawala. Par di karere.
Oh, care.
Par.
Pardi depre. Înseamnă.
Ruba?
Picea, maybe.
Pecha.
Picea. Pardi picioare.
Pecha. Pecha. Agosma. Now let's make sentence, simple sentence with the genitive particle. Yeah, Nimala.
Pe cei don calecvac pomindu.
Ruba? More easier in the, yeah.
Țân. Ok. Pe cei țânduc. Marpure.
That's Pecha's color. Peche. When I say
Pe
pecha,
țânduc.
there is no suffix. That's why akikui. Ruba? Peche chen. Pecha's color. Something like that. Now let me spell it down. Thao pa dingpo pe cha pe cha. Thao pa dingpo pe cha pe cha. Thao pa as a category. Thao pa dingpo pe cha pe cha. Yeah, let me write them down. Thao pa dingpo pe cha pe cha. You can call books pecha also, but we usually use it for scriptures, dharma scriptures. Agosma pecha. If I break down pe, example, cha, consideration. Agosma pecha shaksa. You can make example. Consider this example in this scripture. So pecha scripture. Agosma. That's it. So ini ya de fang la semchen di karere.
Semchen di elfele.
We call it lang chen. Agosma lang chen. Ka latak la. La underscript. Ka latak la nga lang. Ka latak la nga lang. Cha dengpo che na chen lang chen. Ka latak la nga lang. Cha dengpo che na chen lang chen. Agosma ka latak la nga lang. cha ringpo che na chen lang chen.
Xin Bangkok ki lang shen. Di
That's it. Finish the sentence. Yang sung tang fang fang la.
if I want to say di Bangkok ki lang shen re.
That's it. Very good. You finish the sentence. Di Bangkok ki lang chen re. So not only learning word, we can practice using these particle. Make sentence. Ka latak la. Ka latak la nga lang cha ringpo che na chen lang chen elephant. If I break down lang as this buffalo family, of course, chen big buffalo, lang chen, of course, something like this. Lang po chen, maybe. Of course, maybe they are buffalo family. I don't know. That's all. Lang chen, of course, di Bangkok ki lang chen re. Tene ruyun la yin di karire pardi.
Pardi stupa re.
Stupa pewa. The stupa la che ten. Akosma che ten. Mao cha naru cho ta che. Ra tatak ta ringpo te na ten. Che ten. That's it. Mao cha naru cho ta che. Ra tatak ta ringpo te na ten. Che ten. Mao cha naru cho ta che. Ra tatak ta ringpo te na ten. Che ten. Let me write them all also. Mao cha naru cho ta che. Ra tatak ta ringpo te na ten. Che ten. Stupa. Taya ruyun la. Siktup setang. Try sentence.
Di Nipo ki chukden re.
That's it. Me pol labna karire.
Nipo. I don't know.
Ale. Peyur ki, you can say. Or Bauda ki. Bauda. Bauda ki cheten re. Kathmandu ki cheten re. Peyur as a Nepal. Something like this. Cheten.
Mao cha naru cho ta che. Ratapta ta ding butena tin chuten.
That's Cheten Hagos, Now if I break down chu, you make offer, chupapu, you make offer with precious words. You make offer with the anything, with the water, with the flower, with the incense, with the lamb, butter lamb. So you offer also words, praise, poetry. So something like this. 하고서 주 하고서 then dependence, interdependence. then 하고서 I don't know why they said then for this. Maybe all of our something is dependent on it. Something like this. That's all. That's then 하고서 now Buddha. This is in the Buddha. It's like a 1 hour drive from my place. Buddha Chetin. Buddha ki Chetin. 하고서 something like this. All us. Now, yeah, Dinda, Sonam Drogalanda, Rashidele, Di Karere,
Chare.
Di Chares. You wanna make sentence?
Dicha ki. I have to think. Di pu ki cha re.
That's it. Finish. Di Pöki Chares. Now, in short form, you can say Pöcha as a noun, but Pöki Cha is grammatically correct. 하고서 very good. Keep that habit of using this grammar particle. 하고서 빼고송송 가서. 다인다 선남도걸라 디 가리래.
Di earth re.
베드로라 하 거기 왜 디 가리래.
I don't know. Sorry.
하코마송.
Akomason.
디 직된 직된 그봐 직된 올라서 아오 차 기구 지카 직 아오 차 기구 지카 직라 따딱따 땡포 때나 땐 직된 하고서 아오 차 기구 지카 직라 따딱따 땡포 때나 땐 직된 That's it. 봐? 다 튀긴다. 아오 차 기구 지카 직라 따따따 땡포 때나 땐 직된 하고서 올라서 earth, world. 봐?
Excuse me, it is not Jikten, is Jikt. Jikten, G, that part I confuse pronunciation.
Without it is simple chi. Because of the it became bolder. 봐? That's why jikten. That's it.
Thank you.
That's it. Jikten. 봐? Olas. 봐? Now if I break down jik, something that is gonna end or fade away or finish slowly. Something like this. So maybe the world is also has a time limit. I don't know, but maybe, the jikten, that's it. Ten, interdependence. We are all interdependent. Nowadays, all universe interdependence. Something like this. So, jikten, not only earth. The jikten. Now here, na. If the suffix is na, then we have kayata kya kiku ki. Jikten ki me. People of earth. Jikten ki me. Jikten ki choa. Life of earth. Something like this. The jikten. All this. So what I want to suggest is, please practice this grammar particle. Try saying it. Nge pala, nge trokpo, nge trokmo, nge kangpa, my house. Ti nge kangpa re. Te nge kangpa ma re. This kind of thing, you already know how to say this. So try practice it. I wanna suggest this one. That's it. Practice yako chero nang. Ngi kongki, keranki. Tenzin ki. Dharma ki. Something like this. Then you can also look at the notes here. I have also sent this rule. You can sing a song also. Tapasaki or Tapasaki Kanaki. Something like this. Make it easy for you. Tapasaki Kanaki Namarala Shilaki. Something like this. Make it easy for you. It is not important to know right now. If you want to, I have shown you some method. Sing a song. Enjoy it. Something like this. Tujiche. Tashi delek. Tata.
다시 될래.
Considerate.
Considerate.
도체체,
두
다시잘래.
개체.
Bye-bye. Lasu tujiche. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.